Network where, oh boy, we just can't stop sticking things on the wall with Scotch tape and hoping that it doesn't fall off. I've accepted my flaws. Trace weeks ago, we tried to teach ourselves how to crochet. Do you want to know what an accomplishment looks like? This is an accomplishment because, flaws and all, I did not put it in the oven because that was the plan halfway through. We made 2 projects with the same pattern. We made a flexible black and white basket that looks very similar to raffia planters that were black and natural. What I really like about this basket is that it's soft and flexible. So whatever you put inside of it, you can mold it to fit that shape. You can put your keys and knickknacks and everything that's in that kitchen drawer that you don't know how long it's been in there. Or if you want to put something like a vase, because we fancy, you can kind of mold it to fit that shape. Then we also went with something that was a little more structured, and this is actually wall art that we are probably going to stick on the wall with Scotch tape because, you know, disaster network. Oh, don't forget, like this video and subscribe because it's free.
basket deeper and wider by increasing the diameter of the base. 16.25 feet yields an 11-inch in diameter circle, which is the size of the wall art. I think I'm going to modify this and make a rug in the very distant future. Feel free to put your creative spin on the pattern and make something amazing for your home.
Our wall with tape and then get angry at the tape for peeling the paint off the wall. Hello, welcome to Psychos Anonymous. If you plan to make this basket or this wall art, here are some tricks that could save you from feeling very crazy. One, when you are creating your pattern, it is going to look terrible halfway through. Don't give up. Persistence is key. Don't give up, don't give up, you can do it, don't give up. Don't kill anything, it's not their fault. Don't burn your house down, that's just crazy. You're not crazy, don't give up. I sung that song for like 3 hours as I was making these. 2, if you do plan to make the wall art project, using 4 cords over 1 is going to give you the sturdiness and the structure that you need for this to stand up to a flat surface. 2, for the wall art, as you crochet, you'll notice that your yarn will fold upwards, and that's just science. So be sure when you're crocheting, is that a word? It should be if it's not. Be sure when you are crocheting, you are moving your yarn towards the edge of your cording. That will help to keep the flat shape. So I hope you guys like these videos. Thank you so much for subscribing and watching. See you in the next one.